What's the best you can do for me?
15.
Oh, well, I was expecting 50 grand, and I know you don't want to do that. Um, mm, do you, what about 30? Could you do 30 for me? Is that fair? No hard feelings if you can't.
I'll tell you what, I'll give you 25 for the deal. That leaves me 75, and I'll give you 25. Final offer.
You know what?
No, struggle,
Look,
struggle a little.
ah,
Oh
I
man.
still got these other guys. I, I'm I'm afraid I'm maybe, taking some money out of my pocket. You know what? If you can't wait, what happens next? Where do we go from here?
Yeah, I hope we do other deals. Keep my number, man. You know, Give me a compliment. Hey, I like the way you do business. You're a
Yeah.
straight shooter. You're a no bullshit guy. You're the kind of guy I love working. Boom. Give him
Yeah,
some, give him some stuff.
yeah, you're definitely you're like me, man. I'd love to do business with people like myself and like you. I'm looking so forward to this and building a relationship with you. I can't wait to see all the deals we do in the future. Um, yeah, man, I'm really looking forward to it.
I'm
I'm
really,
happy
yeah,
you
you're
made my
great,
day.
man. I really appreciate you bringing me this deal. I hope I wasn't too tough on you, or I know you wanted 50. I hope you're good with the 25.
Yeah, man, I'm more than happy to
I'll tell
do
you what, we
business.
do this deal. You and your lady are my guests for dinner, wherever you want.
Sounds good. I think that would be great.
See now, what's the emotion he's giving you now? What are you hearing?
We're gonna be friends.
Yeah.
We're
What else?
happy.
What else? Go real deep here? I don't know about you. My mom raised me with a lot of guilt.
Yeah,
You
he's
know,
feeling guilty
oh, guilt is good.
for the things that he
Mothers,
said and
oh,
being
mothers are
hard on
so
me.
good with it. Yeah, yeah. Am I guilty? Why am I offering you dinner and thanking you now? You stroked and nurtured and bonded with me. Now I'm feeling guilty.
Because he got a deal. He got his number and he
Now
feels
he
like,
feels like, oh shit, maybe I pissed him off.
yeah,
Oh man, now he doesn't know it, but you're manipulating him to feel guilt and remorse, and
yeah,
now he's giving it back to you.
yeah,
He's giving it back. Oh, let me take you. Let's do this deal and let's go out for a steak dinner. I got a friend with a private jet. Let's go to Hawaii. It's all on me, man. I want to, I want us to be on good ground here.
yeah,
See, this is called positive manipulation.
yeah,
Okay. People think manipulation is a bad word. The gurus use it all the time. You can't manipulate people. It's supposed to be a bro fest. Bullshit. It's
yeah,
about you winning, but making the other guy feel like he won.
yeah.
That's gut selling. Okay. See, I'm the only guy who
Um,
talks like this. I don't think anybody else says it as straight
uh,
like this. Everybody else is this little hearts and unicorns and rainbows and shit.
yeah,
You got to build a business and you got to build relation. The minute I hear a guy say, "Oh, you got to build relationships," fuck that.
yeah.
Why are we in business?
We're in the business to make money. You're not to be friends with
You left
everybody.
out the most important word.
Today.
Today. It's the most important word. We're in business to make money today, get commitments today, get contracts today, or get out today.